Well, this video demonstrates you how to change over from one capsule size to another capsule size. For example, it's 429 size 0 capsules. Now we are changing to some other size. Let's say size 2 capsules. First step,
This knob.
open this knob. Open these 4 knobs. Take out the top section, eccentric pin. Take the other top section. This top section is for size 2. There is a marking of size 2 on the top section. Now put the top section in its place. Then fix the eccentric pin in such a way that the direction will coincide. Put back the locking arm. Put one capsules and just check the lifting of it. This is size 2 capsule. Okay, alright. Now, as in last step, change the spacer. The spacer, also known as roller, change it. There is an marking on each spacer for each capsule size. So this was for size 0 and we are changing it with size 2. This ones are for size 2. So size 0 are being removed and size 2 are being put there. This is because of the different locking length of size 0 and size 2 capsules. So for each size there will be a change in each spacer. Thus the changeover from one capsule size to another capsule size is being completed. Now you just need to put the tray filled with the capsules and begin the operation. Yep, you are ready for the operation now.